A perfect vitamin drink that strengthens and enlarges your Kegel. Peel and finely chop 10 grams of ginger and put it in a pot. Peel and crush 10 grams of garlic and add it to the pot as well. Take 1 orange and extract its juice into the pot. Add 10 grams of honey to the ginger, garlic, and orange mixture, and mix well. Let it sit for 30 minutes. Strain the drink and remove the pulp into a glass. Add 10 grams of water to the pulp and mix well. Your vitamin juice is ready. Drink it daily for 1 week after dinner. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel.